Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today you're going to see how I installed a G.P.S on my CF Moto NK 400. I'm going to also make a short review. I don't have the bike for that long yet, but the main thing is to see the G.P.S installed. Anyways, it has arrived, it is here, and we're going to open it. And this is the machine. It's hard to work with just one hand. So this is a G.P.S motorcycle. I ordered it because I'm in the Philippines and this helps me a lot to find my way, right? I'm in a new country. But this is not a G.P.S for cars. I mean, you can use it in a car, but it's dedicated for a motorcycle. And you can order it on Lazada, but I got mine from AliExpress. I think the shipping is more expensive on AliExpress, but it was quite fast. It took about a week to get from China to the Philippines. Anyways, let's go and see the motorbike and how I installed it, okay? So here it is. This is my new shop, and I'm making a video about it, so you're gonna see that anytime soon. So here is the CF Moto NK 400, and let's bring it outside and see how the G.P.S is installed. So here it is, the CF Moto NK 400. This is a 2022 model. I acquired it in October last year, 2022. So now I got the G.P.S over there on the box, and I'm just going to explain why I said that this is a G.P.S for a motorbike and not for a car, even though you can use it on a car too. So the reason why is because it comes with this protective case, and if you can see over here, there's some contacts that will connect to the back of the G.P.S. So if you stop somewhere and you want to remove the G.P.S, so you just pull this tab and press the G.P.S with your fingers, the G.P.S pops out and you can take it. Now you may be thinking, well, how about if I have the G.P.S there and I'm running and there's a bump? So another thing that it says that this is for a motorcycle is because over here there's this bolt screw that it will also go into the back of the G.P.S and secures it in place. So you make this tight and the G.P.S will not fall anywhere. So that's the reason why they advertise it as a G.P.S motorcycle. Anyways, let's get the unit, and while I'm doing this I will also tell you about, I'll make a small review of the NK 400, and it's just because it's just my opinion about it. If you want an extended review, you can find it videos on YouTube, all over YouTube. So as I was saying, these 5 contacts over there will connect, sorry about that, right there. It connects on the G.P.S on the back of the unit. So there it goes, the G.P.S pops into place, you press it, that's it, it connects because it locks over here. And now you go on the back, and as you can see, easy peasy Japanesey. That's it, it's there. It won't come off anymore. Now, how I connected it? I connected it direct to the battery. So pretty much over here there's a lock you put here, you remove this seat, you're gonna find 2 bolts, take it off, the battery is right there. The red is the positive, the black is the negative, and that's it. Before I turn on the unit, let me just say what I like about it. One of the reasons I like or the best reason I like the NK400, it's the design. Chinese motorcycle companies are getting better and better. The CF Moto is getting to be known in the United States, and people are buying it, especially the CLX 700. People, they just love it. They're turning their Yamahas and Hondas, and they're buying CF Moto. They're not perfect, but they're getting better and better every day. So one of the things that I dislike a little bit is how big this one is. I'll have to change and put a smaller one. Another thing that I will change, of course, is going to be the muffler. The muffler is pretty cheap, and the CF Moto knows that if you buy a motorcycle like this, after the warranty allows you to change the muffler, you're gonna change it. She's heavy. She's more than 200 kilos. And that was one of the points that I was like, But anyways, once I got on the highway with side winds, plus the speed that I was going, the motorcycle is heavy and it holds on to the road. You don't even feel the wind. Believe me, this sticks to the ground really, really well. Anyways, back to the G.P.S. The unit comes with a charging cord, and also comes with the cigarette lighter adapter. It comes with a windshield holder, so you can put this on with a suction cup on your car windshield in case you use it in a car. So I already explained how it is installed. Now let's put on the key, turn on the power. Beautiful, eh? And let's also turn on the G.P.S. And before we turn on the unit, let me just explain better. So those 5 contact points, they lead to this cable. So that's how the unit comes. Now, this cable over here is the one that I connected from the battery. So now we'll join them together in holy matrimony. There you are. And now with this cap, we secure it, the connection. Oh, GPS signal lost. So the GPS, as soon as I connect, it turned on. So there it is. Still looking for GPS signal. I think I'll have to move the motorbike inside the garage so we have a better, clearer picture. I'll be back in a sec. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but we have a really nice image. Now that I brought it inside the garage, so it's still looking for the GPS signal. You can't get it over here because we're under a covered roof. Anyways, I'll tell you how much I will pay as soon as I get to my computer, and I'll also show you how to order it. If you come from the United States and you want a unit like this, I think it's better to order here because they will load the maps for the Philippines. Otherwise, if you order it from the States, they'll automatically install the map for the United States, Canada, Mexico, or something like that. So I would suggest to order it here. Sometimes it's hard to contact the Chinese vendors because of the language barrier. So let's go inside the house. I'm going to download some of the information about the G.P.S, how you can get it too. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm not getting paid anyways. But I just want, if you're watching my videos and you like it, to be well informed. So how I got it, how much I paid, and all those things, I think it's important. Okay? So let's go. So that's it. I went to the aliexpress.com page, typed motorcycle GPS, and see what it is. So here they are. The price. I think I paid less. Well, they definitely went up in price. I paid 4,500, sorry, 4,780, 80 something. But if you'll search the page, maybe that will get something cheaper. So now I switched to Lazada, lazada.com.ph. I typed the same thing and let's see what it shows. Ah, gee, nothing. So pretty much this one only has the GPS trackers. Um, I um, I searched more and more, and I found some GPS units, but they're all from China. So you may as well get it on AliExpress. So I got my NK400 in Las Piñas, Motorcycle City, Las Piñas. I made my first oil change right there in Las Piñas. But the second one, because now I'm in Ilocos, I went to San Fernando, Pampanga. And I couldn't find my way if I didn't have a GPS. I mean, from here to San Fernando, Pampanga, it's easy to find. But then inside the city and to find the location where Motorcycle City is, I couldn't, I don't think so. Anyways, if you want a unit like this, so you know how to get it, I like it, I like mine, and if I didn't have, I would buy one anyways. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.